Is it bad that I crack my neck and my low back? I get this question all the time as a chiropractor. And truthfully, the answer really varies. If you crack your neck once and the pain goes away, that's not a horrible thing, especially if you only need to do it every once in a while. But if you feel the need to consistently crack your neck or your back multiple times a day, that's a sign of a bigger underlying problem that needs to be addressed. More than likely a subluxation, misaligned bone. So bottom line, cracking is more about pain relief, but what you truly want is function and alignment of your spine. If you feel the need to consistently crack your spine, I would highly recommend getting checked by a chiropractor. I'm Dr. Rob Murray with Murray Family Chiropractic in Newmarket, Ontario. I'm a corrective care chiropractor, and that was my 1 Minute Wellness.